Welcome. We are going to be unboxing a 2024 230th anniversary flowing hair gold coin. This is the coin to go with the silver medal. You saw my silver medal unboxing a little bit earlier. So we're unboxing the 2024 flowing hair gold coin. And you can see the outside of the box. Looks very similar to the silver medal. This coin here potentially could be the most valuable $1 gold coin ever made by the United States Mint. It is the largest $1 denominated coin ever made by the United States. It is 1 full ounce. And a reason this potentially could be the most valuable is the fact that they have one that is being sold with the die. And it's 1 of 1 and a privy mark. We can see the flowing hair. It looks nice. Very similar again to the silver medal. And here is the coin. Again, this is a $1 denominated U.S. Mint. This is the largest ever $1 denominated gold coin. And potentially the most valuable. Let's look at the other side. And we'll put it side by side with the flowing hair medal. So you can see there is a size difference, quite a bit of size difference. I'll flip them both over so you can see the backs. And we will now compare this one with some other gold coins. You can see on the side of this, see if I can get the light just right. $1. 100 cents on the side. And unit says here. So this gorgeous coin is made in West Point. It's just beautiful. But I'll set it next to, or I'll bring this is a Type 3 $1 gold coin. You can see how much smaller it is. So much smaller. This is the original 1849 $1 gold coin next to it. You can see how tiny it is. I've got them sitting next to a Mercury dime so you can see how small they are. But this is a 1 ounce buffalo. And you can see it's larger. It is actually quite a bit larger. And I'll put the dimensions up above, but the buffalo is quite a bit larger. But they're both 1 ounce, but the thickness of the flowing hair is thicker. So they both still 1 ounce of gold. And then you can see the difference in color between, oh, and also the value, $50 on the gold piece, $1 on this one. Now this one, $1. So 1849, when they found gold in California, they came up with these little $1 pieces. And this is actually to commemorate the silver coins. So they were supposed to make 1,700 of these, and they only ended up making 10,000. These gorgeous, beautiful coins. And the current price on the original first one with the little privy mark is $170,000. In 1954, U.S. Mint made only 4 $1 type 2 proof gold $1 pieces, only 4. And those are currently valued at just under $500,000, 400,000+. So I don't know if the very first one of these will end up being valued at over $500,000, which would be worth more than 1854 gold piece in proof condition 1 of 4 known. But I'll be curious to find out which is the most valuable U.S. $1 gold coin. This tiny little guy, where there's only 4 of them known, or this modern production, which they're only going to be making 1 with the die. Let's go along with it. I'll include some pictures and information of that auction. Here you can see the Stack's Bowers auction for the 230th anniversary coin, and we'll see what the bid, $170,000. There's the coin, and it comes with a case. It comes with the die. You can see it's crossed out, both sides. You can see what I was trying to show you before with the unit, the $1, and 100 cents on the sides. And some really beautiful images of the coin. Again, that's Stack's Bowers, and the bid is at $170, and it will be over the 12th of December. So it'll be very interesting to see if that can go over that $400,000 to $500,000 price that 1954 $1 proof coin is worth. Again, here's the flowing hair gold coin and the flowing hair metal. Front and back. Being it's a metal, I just noticed that. When I flip it, you have to flip it like this. And being it's a coin, you flip it like this, like we're used to. So this is probably one of the first metals I've ever bought. So that is new to me. US $1 gold coins. We have a type 1, type 2, and actually that's the 1954 type is the type 2, that they only made 4 in proof that are worth over $400,000 to $500,000. The type 3, and then the latest flowing hair $1 gold coin made by the US Mint. You can see the type 3 has a hole in it. A lot of these coins did not get confiscated because they were made into jewelry in 1933 or later, whenever they were confiscating all the gold. So that's how a lot of these coins happened to make it to present day, was in jewelry. But again, all three are together, the type 1, 2, and 3. And again, these were made from 1849 to 1889. And a lot of it was after the gold rush, 1849 gold rush, they started making these small coins. And then there's the latest coin from the US Mint, made out of gold, the flowing hair. Gold piece, $1 denomination. And I thought I'd do the back sides of the 3 coins. Again, the type 1, type 2, type 3, and flowing hair. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.